Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. So guys, today we are having another interesting question, and that is related to the incomes and expenditures of person. So guys, today the question that is the monthly incomes of two person are in the ratio 4:5 and their monthly expenditures are in the ratio of 7:9. So if each saves rupees 50 a month, what are their monthly incomes? So here we are having two persons. So we take that is let the two person be that is A and B. So these are the two persons. So here their monthly incomes are in the ratio that is monthly income of A and B. So that is A ratio B. We take just A ratio B, and that is equal to 4:5. So these are the incomes of both. And their monthly expenditures that are, we take so this is the monthly expenditure, and we take it into C/D, and that is in the ratio that is 7:9. So these are the expenditure. We have taken A/B, and so sorry, this is the income, and for the expenditure we have took C/D, and their savings are that is 50 rupees per month. So guys, to find out the monthly income of any person, we are having a great formula for both A and B. So the formulas are, so these are the formula which are the most easiest method and most easiest way to find out the monthly income of any person. So for A, so let the two person be A. So for A we take, these are the formula. So A, this is the income of A. This is the saving, multiply by saving, D minus C upon AD minus BC. And for B, the formula is B. So this is B, and it is the income of the second person. The other thing are same, D minus C upon AD minus BC. So this is the formula. Only one change you see in both the formulas, and that is A and B, and other things are the same for both. So here to find out, this is B, this is A and B. So these are the monthly income for monthly incomes. To find out the monthly incomes, so here we are having A's income, that is, so this is what is the value of A? We are having the value of A, that is 4. So 4 multiply, and savings, this is 50 by 50, and D. So the value of D minus C, and that is 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7. So we put it in two part. So this is A and this is B, and these are the incomes of both A and B. So here upon AD, A is 4 and D is 9. So 4 multiplied by 9 minus B, that is 5, and C is 7. So 5 multiplied by 7. So hope till here you have understood the question and method. So here this becomes, that is 4 multiplied by 50, that becomes 200, and this becomes 2. Hope you have understood it till here. So 4 multiplied by 9, that is 30, 6 minus 5 multiplied by 7, that is 35. So this becomes how much? This becomes 400 upon 1. I hope you have understood the question. So here we get the answer, that is 400, and this is the A's income. A's income. So this is A's income, and how much that is? 400. And now if you want to find out B, this everything is same. The thing which we have to change, that is only and only B. So B here we are having, that is how much? B, that is 5. So 5, but other things are same. 5 multiplied by 50. So this is saving, and D minus C, that is 9 minus 7. So these are the values we are putting upon 4 multiplied by 9 minus 5 multiplied by 7. So this is B's income. That becomes how much? It becomes 250 multiplied by 2 upon 36 minus 35. So this becomes how much? That is 500 upon 1. So B's income, that is 500. So we have just find out the incomes of A and B, both the person at the same time. So I hope you have understood the method in a very careful method. So here we can write, so their incomes are 400 and 500 monthly. So these are our answers. I hope you have understood. So thank you very much.